This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add songs to your snaps or snap stories. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Adding music into Instagram stories is all the rage, but did you know that you could add music on Snapchat too? So how to do it's very simple. Adding music to Snapchat is easy and can add a certain je ne sais quoi to your usual selfies. So before you add music, you have to make sure that your Snapchat is on the latest or the newest version, so you can check it on your App Store or Play Store. You can check your Snapchat version. If there is an option to update, you can update it first. After that, you can open your Snapchat again. You can add your song or you can record memories. For example, we'll take a picture like this. Now, you can add song, and here you can see there is an option like music icon in here. You can add music on by tapping on this icon, or you can just tap in here on the top of your screen. You can add the song. If you want to change the song, you can tap on the music like this note icon, and you can choose on the song that you want to add to your snaps or snap stories. After that, you can just share it to your story. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add music, how to add songs to your snaps or snap stories on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.